still doing up? Come back to bed. You aren't sleepy. We will see about that. Come, sit with me. Let's watch the rain together for a bit. I love when it rains during a full moon. It makes everything look so surreal. Almost like we're in a fairy tale. Shh. Don't talk. Just listen. Listen to the rain. It's so soothing, so relaxing. And it's such a complex sound as well. It's easier to recognize if you close your eyes. Close your eyes, darling. Come on. Do it for me. Thank you. Now, rest your head on my chest. That's good. Very good. Just relax and let me play with your hair for a bit. Isn't this nice? Shh, shh, shh. You can just nod your head. Now, listen to the rain. Really focus on the sound. As I was saying, it is such a complex sound. You can hear the general hiss of thousands of tiny droplets hitting the ground every second. That sound is obvious. But there's also the soft drumming of the rain on the roof, the subtle tap on the leaves. Listen carefully. I'm sure you can hear it all if you focus. It really is a wonderful sound. So relaxing. So soothing. I love listening to the rain and just letting my thoughts drift away. It's so nice. I could listen to it all day, not doing anything at all. Just relax and listen to the rain. If you listen very carefully, you can just make out the gentle pattering of the rain against the windows. Listen. It always fascinated me as a kid, you know? The way a raindrop slides down the window. It still does, actually. I love following a single droplet as it makes its way down, sliding down the window, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, sometimes going a little to the left and sometimes a little to the right, but always, always down, 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 down. Imagine it. See it in your mind. A huge window full of little droplets of rain. Pick one of them, close to the top of the window. Focus on it. It's not moving now, but it's just a matter of time. Almost. Almost. There it goes. Follow it. Follow it with your eyes as it slides down. That's it. Follow it down, 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 down. You are doing very well, darling. Now, look for another drop. See it in your mind. Focus on it. Wait for it to start moving. And follow it down. The raindrop is sliding down. And you are sliding right down along with it. Down, down, down. Until finally, it melts away into a big puddle. Just like you are melting into a puddle of relaxation. You are so very relaxed. So heavy. So drowsy. And it feels so good. So very good to lie here. Your head resting on my chest. Feeling so safe, so comfortable. It feels wonderful. You feel wonderful. There is nothing to do, nothing to think about. You can just lie here, listening to the rain, listening to my voice, following my voice, letting it guide you deeper and deeper into relaxation. You are doing so well, feeling so relaxed, so drowsy, so heavy. Just let go. Let everything go. Let yourself collapse into my arms. There we go. I got you. Lie back now, darling. Really let yourself sink down into these cushions. The cushions are so soft, and your body is so heavy. Feel yourself starting to sink down through the cushions now. They are like clouds, soft and fluffy and insubstantial. You are sinking through them, and it feels so good. Just sinking down, weightlessly floating, floating without a care in the world, relaxing, letting your thoughts drift, listening to the sound of the rain. Enjoy this, darling. Enjoy the sound of my voice and keep sinking deeper down. Let everything go. Relax. Let your thoughts drift away. There is nothing to talk about. There is nothing to think about. Just listen to my voice. And let yourself drift away. Let everything go. Go to sleep now. Let any last thoughts